Hi all. Today we will discuss about few plugins of Tekla version 2017, 19 and 21. Here we will learn about bay filler, lifting hole, and embed angle. So, let's begin with bay filler, which will help you in adding multiple infill beams. Here, as you can see, are n number of infill beams to be installed. So for example, if you want to add infill beams at equal distance, then select bay filler seam from application and component. After this, you need to click to girder beams within which we need to add infill beams, and select direction along the bay. Now you can see multiple beams are added in a single click. So with help of this component, instead of adding and copying single beam, we can add as many as beam required in a bay at equal distance. Next, moving forward with its component, we can see different parameters, where you can change beam profile, position number and related information. Then you can change calculation method. There are two methods. First one is maximum spacing, where you can provide spacing between beams, which will adjust beams accordingly as shown in video. Second option is number of beams, where you can provide beam number, and it will be placed equally between the bay as seen in video. In addition to this, if we are using magnetic grid and change grid dimensions, then this component will adjust beam spacing accordingly. Also, if you select number of beams, then it will add beams as per grid to grid dimension as shown in above video. In this component, you can also provide slope or elevation to the beam, just by providing elevation value in above parameters as seen. Therefore, it will be easy to add beams together at different slope with this component. Moving forward with the next component, that is lifting hole. This component is similar to the previous component that you have already used, which provides lifting hole as per respective gauge and end distance of the beam. In addition to this component, if we extend or shorten the beam as been done above, then the lifting hole will move along with the changes done to the beam, which we can say is a benefit of this component. As you can see, it sticks to the same position where it is first added. Its another benefit is that if we cut the member from edge, then after modifying the lifting hole component, the hole will regain its position from the cut edge according to the dimension filled in the component. Next we will see embed angle. There are two components through which we can add embed angles. Let's try the first one. Here first we will add angle using component, where you can see studs are already installed on angles. Previously we used to add studs manually. However, this component has eased the work of embed angle addition. Now let's take a look at its parameters, where you can change the angle size, start and end location of stud, and maximum spacing between them. We can also change grade, diameter and length. Along with this, the component enables us to change the placement of studs, as can be seen in the above video. We can decide the location of the stud by providing dimension from heel of angle. Here more of your manual work will be reduced, and it will result in faster and accurate addition of angles. Thank you. I hope these plugins were understood and helpful to you. We will come with more such plugins in future.